gators.
Ready? Whoa! No, Skyzer. We got him! Grab it! Grab it!
Give it a toss. Do you want to go for a ride?
Ready?
Whoa. What a good measuring stick.
It's perfect! We did it! Alright.
Perfect height.
I think the cow has milk.
Turn around, hold on.
Well, we've picked that bucket of beans, and there's still this entire field of bean picking to go. Thank you.
Bingo was the name of B-I-N-G-O.
Gotta go tubing.
14-foot gator, I think.
There's a little gator right
that
there.
That was year.
Oh, we'll be safe in the tube. Here they go! Oh! We gotta get the fire pit ready. Help Daddy open it.